Good morning, teacher. I need your guidance, please. I believe I'm facing difficulties in learning English.
Morning, Sam. It's common to encounter challenges when learning something new.
I recall you suggesting we read English books to improve our vocabulary. I've tried that, but I quickly lose interest. I'm eager to enhance my English skills but feel stuck. Can you help me?
Yes, why not? One common mistake many English learners make is not choosing material that interests them. This can lead to boredom and lack of motivation. It's crucial to engage with content that you find interesting, such as films, books, series, or podcasts related to your hobbies or passions. This way, learning becomes enjoyable rather than a chore.
Thank you for your advice. I understand now that selecting engaging material is key. Could you share more common mistakes learners make?
Another mistake is comparing your progress to others. Everyone learns at their own pace, so it's important to focus on your own journey rather than others. Additionally, seeking shortcuts or hacks for learning English is tempting but not effective. Learning a language takes time and dedication. It's important to incorporate effective learning strategies into your routine rather than relying on quick fixes.
I appreciate your insights. I'll avoid these mistakes and focus on engaging with content that interests me. But sometimes I face challenges. How to overcome this?
Remember, it's okay to face challenges along the way. The important thing is to stay motivated and keep practicing. Is there anything else you'd like to discuss or any other aspect of learning English you're curious about?
Actually, yes. I'm curious about effective ways to expand my vocabulary. Do you have any tips?
Reading regularly is a great way to expand your vocabulary. When you read books, articles, or blogs that interest you, you naturally encounter new words. Make a habit of jotting down these unfamiliar words and their meanings. This not only helps you remember them, but also encourages you to use them in your own writing and speaking. Using flashcards or vocabulary apps can also be incredibly helpful. These tools allow you to review and memorize new words in an organized manner. Flashcards, in particular, can be a fun and interactive way to test your memory and reinforce your learning. Another effective strategy is to practice using new words in context. This could involve writing sentences or short paragraphs using the words, or even engaging in conversations where you try to incorporate them naturally. This helps you understand the nuances of the words and how they can be used in different situations. Overall, the key to expanding your vocabulary is consistent practice and exposure to new words. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can gradually build a rich and varied vocabulary.
That sounds like a practical approach. I'll start implementing these tips into my learning routine. Thank you for your guidance.
You're welcome, Sam. I'm glad I could help. If you ever have more questions or need further assistance with your English learning journey, feel free to reach out. Keep up the good work.